A bee finds flowers, then rushes home with a secret map hidden in dance moves. Stay and decode the bee signal. Inside the hive, darkness is normal. Bees share directions without signs, screens, street names, and daylight. The dancer makes a waggle run, a tiny shake that tells others which way to fly from the hive using clear clues. Direction comes from the sun. A tilted dance line points left or right of sunlight, like an insect compass. In the dark, bees use gravity as up. Straight up on the comb means fly toward the sun after leaving their hive. A longer waggle often means a farther food source. Time becomes distance inside one buzzing message bees read. The dance is not just movement, it carries smell, touch, sound, and urgency in one signal for bees. Quick test. If the bee waggles upward, where should friends fly? Answer before the arrow appears on the map. Correct. Upward means toward the sun. Sideways angles tell bees how far to turn from sunlight during the flight. Follower bees press close, feel the shakes, smell the flower scent, then leave to follow the route outdoors. This is not perfect GPS. It is a smart clue that guides bees to the most likely patch of blooms with nectar. Better flowers get stronger dances. Weak food gets quieter advertising. The hive saves effort for richer food. A single scout can recruit a crowd. One good discovery can turn into a buzzing food mission through the colony. The dance floor is honeycomb, a warm wall where bees trade flight plans in darkness as one team across wax cells. Bees also share the flower smell. The scent says, search for this kind of bloom when you arrive in the meadow. Mini challenge 2. Watch the red arrow. Is the food left of the sun or right of the sun? Read the dance sign. Right of the sun wins. The waggle angle works like a classroom diagram, except the teacher is a bee in the hive. The sun moves across the sky, yet bees adjust their dances. Their map keeps updating with the light signal. Some bees never saw the route before. They still fly out using dance, scent, and sunlight clues from honeycomb. Wind, trees, buildings, and weather can change the trip, so recruited bees search near the target before landing. The dance is a tiny vote. More excited dancers can steer the colony toward richer, safer food choices ahead. A quiet hive is full of messages. Many are felt more than heard by human ears as vibrations. This matters to farms and gardens across the US and Europe, where pollinators help plants make food for people. When landscapes lose flowers, the dance may point farther away. Bees must work harder for each forage trip. Mixed flowers, fewer chemicals, and nesting space can make a real difference for bees near your home and yard. Imagine reading a map by dancing on a wall. Bees do it under pressure, with no spoken words, in total darkness. Final decode. Angle gives direction, waggle time gives distance, and scent gives the flower target location. If you cracked the code, comment waggle map below. I want to see who decoded the hive signal first, like a scout. Like this video if the bee compass surprised you. It helps more curious people find this bee story and learn. Subscribe for simple science stories with big twists from nature. More hidden animal mysteries are waiting next. Share this with someone who loves gardens, honey, or strange animal intelligence. Bees deserve the spotlight. Sending a thanks supports more explainers like this and helps us bring hidden science to more viewers each month. Next time a bee passes a flower, picture a tiny messenger carrying a map back to the hive from the meadow. The waggle dance turns sunlight, distance, and smell into teamwork. That is nature's data network in the hive. The whole colony benefits because one bee's discovery becomes shared knowledge for thousands of sisters at work. From one dance to many flights, the hive turns motion into meals, honey, and survival for bees through teamwork. The secret was never magic. It was biology, rhythm, and a compass written in bee-sized steps across the comb.